Hello, how you doing? Hope you're well, hope you're safe. On the menu today, we're gonna make a eggplant, aubergine, brinjal, whatever you wanna call that, fry. So it's nice and dry, got a little bit of moisture in there, got some absolutely wonderful flavors. I'm gonna be serving this with a naan bread, a little bit of salad and some extra chili. Super easy, healthy, vegetarian and vegan. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. So let's take a look at what we're using today. I've got one medium-sized eggplant or aubergine or brinjal, whatever you call that, and I've cut it into kind of that kind of size. You can cut it smaller or larger, that's up to you. One medium-sized onion, one decent-sized tomato. Try and use a nice juicy ripe tomato. Some fresh chili, the amount is up to you. 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, and here what I always call the big four. If you're a regular to the show, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about, but that's equal parts, 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, chili, cumin and coriander. If you want, you could be using a curry powder that you already have. We're going to start this off with some oil, use some salt. That's about it. Okay, so I've got a wok or a pan here, got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. Now, I didn't show you this earlier, but I'm going to drop in a few cumin seeds, 1 or 2 teaspoons. Just let them do their thing in that oil for a bit, you know, they're going to just infuse it, give it a lovely flavour. Then we're going to go in with our onion. And on this kind of fairly lively heat, let's go for like 3 minutes. Okay, there you go, that's like 2 to 3 minutes. Let's get them going. We're now going to drop in our garlic ginger paste, like a tablespoon there. That's a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger, just in case you're wondering. And then we're going to drop in our eggplant, or whatever name you call that. Staying on this heat, 4 minutes, keep it moving. Okay, there's 4 minutes there. Simply, we're now going to add in that 1 tomato. We're going to add some salt. We're going to add our fresh chili. Now I've put mine in whole. If you want, you can chop that. And then we're going to go with our powder. Just take one more look. 1 teaspoon each. Turmeric, chili, coriander, cumin. In that goes. And off we go. We're going to fry this around now for about 4 minutes. Again, keep it moving. Okay, off goes the heat, and we are done. That is lovely. If you want a little bit of garam masala powder in there, or some cilantro or coriander, but that is fantastic. Nice and dry. What the tomato done, the tomato as it cooked, just gave it a little bit of moisture. That is wonderful. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.